Hello everyone. With this text for this week, we're revisiting simile. So the first thing you need to make sure you've done already is you read that story on Sea Turtle Patrol on my book page 244. After you've done that, you're ready to look at the Brain Pop video about similes. Now, when you click on the link below or at the bottom of this page, what you're gonna need to do is type in a username and a password before you can actually play that Brain Pop video. So once you've gotten the link open, you're gonna need to type in Sanko16 for the username and Sanko16 for the password. After you've watched that video, then you'll be ready to answer the following questions in complete sentences. So the questions are going to be about simile. And here is one more reminder of what simile is about. So this is on your Schoology page. Similes are comparisons of two things using the word like or as. So we've looked at this example many times before. I'm happy as a clam. So in this simile, the word as is being used, and what's being compared is whoever the I is in the sentence to the clam. So the person is essentially saying, I'm really happy. Okay, so this is one example of simile. What you're going to be doing is looking for examples in this story that you just read about on Sea Turtle Patrol. So the directions say to reread paragraph 35 on my book page 251 from on Sea Turtle Patrol. If you're following along with the video, you're going to start at about 2015. Your next job is to use complete sentences to answer the two following questions. Number 1 says, what simile describes how Callie feels as she runs? You can use the sentence starter to help you. It says the simile says that Callie is moving, and then I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks that you need to fill in with the missing words. Number 2 says, what does the simile from question number 1 mean? You can use the sentence starter. The simile means Callie is moving blank because blank. As always, if you have questions about anything, feel free to send me a message on Schoology or jump into the chat. I will keep a chat open every day. If you need help getting into the chat, click the link at the bottom of this page and there will be a video that shows you how to get to the chat. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later.